What is up, everyone? Welcome to Body Code Games. I am Cody. Today I'm going to do a super short, sweet, simple tutorial in RPG developer Bakin. Alright, so today's tutorial is, let's just say you bought some DLC from the Steam store from RPG developer Bakin, and you're wondering, how do I access the DLC? I'm going to show you, because a lot of people I have seen did not know how to access the DLC, or some of them it's not much information, and every DLC is different. So hopefully you can kind of figure it out with just this one simple tutorial. So go to your main page, open up your game. You're going to want to go to the left side where map editor, go to resources in the master menu. Alright, so for instance, let's make it, we'll go to 3D stamps, because majority of the DLC you buy is pretty much 3D stamped, but if they're 2D, you can do the same. So make sure when you do buy the DLC, go through every single one to make sure you can add them all. So just in case your DLC includes 3D stamps, 2D stamps, images or decal stamps or sounds or movies, you're going to want to have to individually click every single one to make sure that you import them. Because if you were to import the DLC just for the 3D stamps, you're not going to get the 2D stamps as well. That's why you have to, for every DLC, just kind of see what's in there. You know, you never know. You may have some sounds coming from a DLC you didn't even know that was included. But just check it every time you buy a DLC. Just go through them all. You know, from all the way from the top in the resources menu. Just go straight from the top, terrains, all the way down to the movie section, and we're going to want to import them all. But I'm going to show you a simple, quick way. We'll start with 3D stamps. Now, this applies for every other menu here in the resource menu. So do this for every single one every time you get a DLC. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to click Add to where the top left is. So you see where my mouse, click Add. And here, where you see Additional Menu, this is where all your DLC will be stored at. As you can see, I bought every single one from the Steam store. None of it was given to me. Some of them, actually, I'll announce that in the future, just 2 of them. But I can't talk about it. So let's just go to a simple one, the Ancient Pack, which is a great pack. You would click Ancient Pack. Since I already have this on here, I'm not going to add it again, because it's just going to add it with another ID, and it's going to have more files in my game. So what you'll do is, like, as you can see, for the assets for the Ancient Pack, it's Ancient Pack, Prefabs, and Presets. You're going to want to individually just leave it here where you see where it's highlighted, and you're going to want to go down here, click Add, and Exit. And if you do it here where the folder is, it'll add every single thing that's on this screen right here. So once you add it, it'll be in your game. And then you want to go back to prefabs and add this selection, and so on with the presets. That way you get every single thing from your DLC. Because, you know, when you're spending that kind of money, you want everything that's included with it. So do that for every single pack. So do it for the 3D stamps, the terrains, 2D stamps, decal stamps, sounds. Movies, they usually don't have any, but check it just in case. You never know, they could add something. But that's a simple way to add your DLC. Now remember to do it for every single one here on the resource menu for 2D stamps, everything. It's pretty simple, so hopefully that's more understandable. That's how you add your DLC. And I'm Cody, and I'm with Body Code Games, and thank you for watching.